Welcome guys. So in today's video, I'm teaching you how to use the matchtrader platform on your mobile device, on your mobile phone. So for you to have access to the matchtrader platform, unlike other trading platform like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you need to sign up with a broker or a prop firm that uses matchtrader. So in today's video, I'm using Funding Pips, which is the prop firm I trade with currently, and it has been awesome. If you need an account, you can use the link in the description of this video to get one. So let's move straight to the point. That's the only thing you need to access the platform is your email and your password. So right here on my screen, what I do here is this. Since you know your email, you copy the password here. As you can see, copy to clipboard. Then you click on Open matchtrader. Boom. So once it's open now, the only thing required there now is your email and the password. And that's the password you copied there. So let me input my email and my password. And let's boom. As you can see right here, I've logged into my trading platform. So once you log in, this is how the platform looks like. You understand? This is exactly how the platform looks like. So when you want to, as you can see, this point here where they say all symbols here, right here, all symbols. So you can click on there to add currency pairs. You click on there, you can see forex, any forex currency pair you want to add, you can add it there. If you trade Bitcoin, you can add it from here too. If you need indices like your US 30, Nasdaq, S&P 500, all those indices, here are they. If you want to search them immediately, you can just come here, search for any currency pair you want to trade. Maybe Euro USD, Euro USD. As you can see, it has popped up. You click on it, boom, that's it. It's open. So right here, if you need you don't need to be searching pairs every time. You want them to be here on your favorites. You go here, you search for the pair. Let's say AUD USD, AUD USD, AUD. So you can see this AUD USD. You click on this small star here. You see the star here? I just circled, yeah. Just click there. Symbol was added to favorite, so you just go to your favorites. You can see AUD USD is there. So if you want to add any currency pair you trade, if you trade multiple pairs, you can add it there and this. That's all for adding currency pairs. Then if you want to, maybe your favorite pairs, you want them to be at the top, you tap, you hold, you drag it to the top. That's it. If you want to, let's say, if you want to check the charts, you click on it. The chart is open. You want to zoom, see the full picture of how it looks like, just click on this place, that place there, click there. You have the full picture of everything. You want to check your distance, you want to use line charts, candlesticks, your time frames. You can see your time frame right here. Here, that's your time frame. You click on it to check the 1 hour charts, 30 minutes charts, 15 minutes charts. So that's it. And unlike other platforms, you don't have much indicators or tools to work with. So you can see your horizontal line. If you want to draw a horizontal line, you click on it. You have added it to the chart. If you want to increase it, 3 your pixel, you want to change the color, click on it, green, set. That's it. You want to remove it, you click on it, cancel. That's all for that. That's all for that. Then if you want to check your trading history, right here you can see right here is your trading history. You go there. Maybe for the past 7 days, you want to use a custom range, you can set from 1st set to 15th set, confirm. That's it. That's how simple it is. Then if you want to see your account balance, you click on this place. Yeah, this place right here. Just click there to view your account balance. Boom, you have removed the account balance. That's it. If you want to see your positions, you go right here, positions. If you have any open positions, it will be here. Pending, that's it. You go back. And if you want to set pending orders for the trade, just click on it. Go to this place. They write pending right here. You click on pending. For instance, I want to set a buy stop order. You just go here. Let's say for instance, buy stop at 0.6227. So 227. So once you just input your stop loss, if you want to input stop loss right here, right here, you can see where to input your stop loss. You click on it. You see, one side you see buy stop have already entered immediately. Your lot size, and one advantage of using the matchtrader platform is that you don't need any lot size calculator to check your. You don't need any lot size calculator to check to know how much you are risking or the lot size you go with. So what I do here is once I input my price and my stop loss, you just keep increasing the lot size. For instance, I want to reach like $20, as you can see. Boom. Once you reach $20, you place your buy stop order. Confirm. The order has been placed. You go back. If you want to see your positions, pending orders, you click on pending. That's it. If you want to delete it, you click cancel order. That's all. That's all for this. And another important feature of the matchtrader platform is this news section. So to update the news, just go to this place right here, or this area. Understand? So just click on it. You can click on it. Boom, you can see it. Then you can use these filter features to filter to get only high impact news. You click on filter, then remove this high, low and medium. You need only high impact news. Then for currency pairs, you don't need the news for all the whole currency pairs, maybe the particular pairs you trade. So you just highlight all these ones, just click on them. Maybe you want news for NZD, just highlight them, filter. That's it. So you can see only high impact news for today. That's the only thing that will show in there. If you want this background color, the background color to be white, you go to this place right here, the right account, click on accounts, dark, right here, here, click on dark, light. You can see the interface has changed to white. Everything has changed to a white background. If you don't know it's the white background again, you go back to your accounts, click on dark. That's it. Simple as that. Then if you want to download this trading platform on your phone, let it just be like a mobile app on your phone. It depends on the kind of phone you are using, but just click on this place, these three dots here. Once you click there, you can see add to home screen. You click on add to home screen. Install. You can see it's installing. The app is installing. So let's watch. App installed. Open it. You can see it's now like a mobile app in my phone. Once I go back now, check my apps, look at it right here. It's now like a mobile app in my phone. So that's all about Funding Pips. It's a very easy to use platform. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, just click the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.